Reading data? Okay, that's your class, right? And it's in percent, right? Right-clicked it, and you copied it. Okay, now where's that template? There. Now go below. These are examples. You can delete these later because they're not your class.
I think I know what
But you can
you're wrong.
click right there, right? Skip one there because you'll probably put in there. Now your top row, for whatever reason, probably because you didn't highlight the class name or the student name, is just over. So click on that column A36 and right click. Oh, sorry. Go back over there to the template. There you go. Right click that A36 and hit insert.
See how this says general?
We'll just insert a cell and it'll shift it over. It'll say
Right
shift
here.
the
See how
cells
it
to
says
the right.
general? Change it to percentage.
Now you're, oh, one more. Sorry. Do it again. You're too over.
Oh wait, never mind. I didn't
So you
order
want to
why.
just right click it.
Wait,
the actual
you can
Insert.
change it.
Shift it right.
Aha. I
Boom.
think
Okay?
I did it.
Good. Now are you in percentages? No.
I changed it.
Oh, yeah, but
Is
you
that
know
wrong?
what? Yeah, because you didn't do it initially. So we're just going to close out. We're not going to save that changes. You're in, this is here.
Yeah.
Well, now we want to save, we want to display that as percent.
I see.
Okay. Now, did you get that template downloaded? The girl, Suzanne sent you, emailed you a template. There you go. See, and that's why I went ahead and did that template for you, because as you can see, when you do it initially, it's not that easy. Okay? And believe me, I have like,
Paste over the template?
well, go below it, and then what we'll do is just erase the classes that aren't yours. But at least you can see what it should look like.
Oh, so it's needs to be that.
We'll look up when you got, go below those classes though.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
we'll keep those classes because, who, is Miss Anderson here?
Yep.
See, I use Miss Anderson very scientifically. Alphabetical
Right,
order is the first one there, and I use her classes.
My third class.
Oh, gosh. And we're only going to work with one class today. And obviously, if we're moving quickly, we can do this with all our classes because that is school. But we're going to just take it with one class. So everybody has a template that looks something like that. Anybody?
Okay. I did. Oh, whoa. Why did it?
Oh, why did it? I love it. Why did it? Let's see what we got.
I think I fixed it more than once.
Did you highlight the whole thing?
Yeah, mine's funny like that.
Yours is funny like. You highlighted your whole thing, right?
I didn't think I did.
Okay. Let me delete all this. Yeah, you must have. You're just gonna, you know what? We're just gonna, oh, look at that. Undo.
Yeah.
Undo. And there's your template. Okay, so now when you go into Reading Plus, there, this is you? Only one class. It's just.
It's only showing one.
Okay.
I've got 6 spots.
Okay, well, we're only going to do it. So I'll highlight from there to there. Make sure I get all of them. Right click it. And paste right below it. There. And I leave that open. Now, do you want to get rid of Miss Anderson's classes so you're not confused?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So now I can just make sure you don't copy. And delete. Shift them up. And there you go. And notice also in the template that I've locked that top row so that when you go through and you're looking at all your classes data, the top row will stay where it is and you don't have to keep going, oh, what is it? What are they not doing well? And so that makes things a lot easier. And I can show you how to do that if you need to. All right. Ms. Anderson, you good?
No,
Oh.
that's okay.
No, I'm not going anywhere
It's
until.
the Excel template.
Does she have the Excel template?
She has it, yes.
I got one that's
Okay.
It's doing so well.
Oh, I've got a
Did
bunch.
you make sure, remember, make sure that you change the percentages.
We,
Okay.
did we,
There's something for
or-
display, and
no,
I did
not
these
that,
percentages.
Yeah,
I
you're
copied
good.
just this
Perfect.
one.
And then what happened?
I went up here, these
Okay.
aren't highlighted, I
Yep.
just copied
So
that.
let's go in there.
And I went in here,
Oh,
and
no.
I copied my third class, but then I had
Okay.
all 3 classes again,
Can you send me?
and I got rid of all them, but this still won't delete.
That won't
No, it's
delete.
not.
That's because you know what these are? These are pictures. That's annoying.
to delete each one,
Yeah.
and then they said she was supposed to stop by on Wednesday, and then she never did last week.
Oh, that would work. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go back real quick.
But she's gonna be
See where you Hit the delete button for me.
shift cells up. Is there enough?
Nothing?
There you go.
There, you fixed it.
Yeah. Now, I'll move this. Let's just get it out of the way. And I'll come by. I don't know why it's doing that. That's strange. Okay? But you got the data that we want. I don't know why that will do that. Other than it's a computer and that's what happens. Now we good? Anybody have any questions to get to that point?
Oh, sorry. I was wondering.
Everybody have any questions to get to that point? Okay. Now, one more step because they highlight these for you. They highlight them to make it easy to read, but we're going to keep this on Excel. Okay, we're going to do all the work on Excel as far as sorting goes because it makes things a lot easier. Okay, but in order to kind of get a good picture, I've highlighted an important here. Okay, make sure we pay attention to click on the cell number. Okay, so it highlights the entire row. Because if you click on, obviously these blue line names are hyperlinks, and yeah, it's annoying when you click on them because then you open up a web page. So I just click on all of these to highlight them, and then I'm gonna go up here and hit no hide, no fill. Okay? No. I'm gonna come up to here, right here, the little paint bucket. After I've highlighted everything, and click no fill, so it's completely blank. Did we do it?
What did you unfill?
We want to take your whole class. Nope, that's. Okay, highlight the columns, numbers, all the way down to your class, and hit no fill.
How do you highlight just that column?
Click like there and hold it down, and highlight, and there you go. Nope.
No.
There you go.
But everything's highlighting.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Oh.
That's what
I
we
thought
want.
you just wanted the number.
No, what we want is to remove this fill so you have a nice clean Excel spreadsheet.
What are we removing?
The fill.
What do you mean? Oh, the shading?
Yep. So you're going to go to no fill, that paint bucket. You got them all?
No.
Okay.
I can try changing it to black and see if that works.
Paint bucket, no fill,
I thought we
and
had to
declare. Well, yes, you can go through and remove each individual
If the fill
hyperlink.
doesn't bother you, is it okay just to leave it?
Well, no, because what we're going to do now is we're going to color code these.
Oh.
This is how we're going to use, this is what we're going to use to get an idea of where our student needs are.
Okay.
And so by having it gray and white, it makes it a little different. Now again, I will say this, because we're only doing one class at a time today, obviously, a step like this, put all your classes into it, into the Excel format, highlight all the rows, and just hit no fill. And then it's one step. But we're only going to do one class today. Just let me see where we are. If you need anything restated or want me to slow down, just let me know. Because I don't want to go too fast or too slow for you. Ms. Anderson, you getting it?
Yep.
Did we get rid of those pictures yet?
Yeah, I redid it.
Awesome. Okay, so these again align, and I'll show you what I mean about locking that top row. This is my next class that I'm going to work on, and I can scroll up and down and notice my standards, although the print is so small you can't see them up here, don't move. So I can work with each class without having to deal with what is the skill that's a problem. How comfortable, just so I know how fast to go, are we with sorting data on Excel? We'll go with the 1, 2, and 3. 3 is got it, can do it. 1 is keep it slow. All right, see, we're working. Okay, now the best thing about Excel and why we want to keep this here is that we can manipulate this data any way we want. But you have to be sure that you highlight the